Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss Lesson 2, Importance and Properties of Waters. Today I am going to explain why water is one of the most important substances in our body. Think of water as the unsung hero of life. We usually don't notice it, but without water, our body simply couldn't function. In fact, about 60% of the human body is made of water. Let's start with its structure. A water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, which is why its chemical formula is H2O. Even though water molecule is very small, it has a special shape. The oxygen atom pulls the shared electron closer to itself, making the oxygen side slightly negative and the hydrogen side slightly positive. This uneven distribution of charge is called polarity. You can think of water molecule like a tiny magnet. Just as magnets attract each other, water molecules also attract one another. This attraction is called hydrogen bonding. Now, because of these hydrogen bonds, water has several amazing properties. First, water is an excellent solvent. A solvent is a substance that dissolves other substance. That's why nutrients, minerals, and oxygen can travel through our blood and reach every cell in our body. Second, water has high heat capacity. This means it can absorb a lot of heat before its temperature changes. Because of this, our body temperature stays relatively stable even when the weather is hot or when we are exercising. Third, water has cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion means water molecules stick to each other, while adhesion means they stick to other surfaces. These properties help move water through plants and also helps fluid travel through tiny blood vessels in our bodies. So why does all this matter? Every time we drink water, our body uses it to transport nutrients, remove waste, regulate body temperature, and support thousands of chemical reactions that keep us alive. Without water, our organs couldn't function properly. Our cells would become dehydrated. Our bodies wouldn't be able to maintain balance. So, to summarize, water is made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Because it is polar, water molecules form hydrogen bonds, giving water its unique properties. These properties allow water to dissolve nutrients, regulate temperature, and support many essential processes in the human body. That's why water isn't just something we drink. It's one of the main reasons life is possible. That's all. Thank you.